Hello everyone, this is Snehata Singh and thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm back with a video which is called The Biggest of Transformation in Your Life in 2024 is not gonna come out of shame. It's not gonna come out of fear. It's not gonna come out of criticizing yourself. It's gonna come out of love. It's gonna come out of pouring love into yourself, self-love and acceptance of yourself. So if you really want to have a quantum jump, if you really want to have the biggest of transformation in your life, if you really want to change yourself from the inside out, shame is not going to work. Shame is not going to work. A lot of times the journey starts with shame because we are so done with ourselves, we are so tired of ourselves, we are so ashamed of ourselves. I think the journey can start with that, but it cannot lead you to the end. It will not lead you to the biggest of transformation in your life. Shame, are you ashamed of who you are right now? Are you ashamed of who you are right now? Are you pouring shame into yourself? Are you trying to push yourself through shame, through criticism, through stress, through strictness in your life? Just being so strict, being so stiff with yourself. How are you going to have the biggest of transformation through shame? You are just going to overwhelm yourself. You are just going to put yourself under more stress, more anxiety, more overwhelm, more restlessness. So ask yourself this question: are you ashamed of who you are right now? What will help you change? What will help you change? What will help you go through the biggest of transformation in your life? Will it be shame? Will it be fear? Or will it be love and acceptance? Shame has not helped me. Criticism has not helped me. Trying to be more strict with myself, trying to put myself in more stressful, more criticism, more anxiety has never helped me. The most important thing that has helped me is love and self-love. Pouring love into myself, pouring so much love and care and acceptance within myself has helped me the most. So what will bring you the most change, the biggest of impact in your life? It's not shame. So are you ashamed of yourself? Are you ashamed of your present self? For example, if you are overweight, and you want to go through transformation in your life, you want to reduce weight, you want to look a certain way, you want to be fit in your life, shame will not help you. Shame will not help you. Yes, shame can help you start the journey. You can start your strict diet. You can cut down all the food in the world. You can go on a liquid diet, or this kind of a diet, that all kinds of diet you can try. But if you're just pouring shame and guilt and fear into yourself, you will take the resolution. You will take the biggest of resolution, the strict diet, all kinds of diet in your life. But you will stop within a week. You will stop within a month. You will stop within few days. It's not going to be long lasting. It's not going to be long lasting, I promise you. The more you put yourself through stress, shame, criticism, the more you will feel overstressed, emotional, and you will just feel like eating more. Why do we eat so much food? Why do we overeat? It's because of we are going through some uncomfortable situations. We want to fill ourselves. We want to fill this emptiness, this uncomfortable stress or emotions. And you are just trying to do the same. You are just pouring more shame and fear and guilt into yourself. What you're going to do at the end? You will turn to more overeating. You will turn to all kinds of foods which you don't want to eat. You will feel like it. You will do more of emotional eating. So shame is not gonna help you, babe. Shame is not going to help you transform, change, or attract any kind of love, abundance, business, or whatever you want in your life. Shame is not gonna help you. Ask this question: how can I release this shame about myself? How can I release this shame? Shame just means that, you know what, I'm a bad person. There is something wrong with me. I'm shameful of who I am right now. Yes, we all have desires. Yes, we all want to be the best version of ourselves. But it doesn't mean that in the present scenario, whoever you are, you have to criticize it, you have to shame it to reach the best version of yourself. To reach the best version of yourself, you have to pour love into your present self. You have to pour love, self-love, acceptance, rest, care. So you have to use love. You cannot use shame to have the biggest of transformation in 2024, in 2025, in any kind of year. The long-lasting, the most impactful, the biggest of transformation is only gonna come through love. It's not about reaching a certain destination. It's not about becoming the best version of yourself, looking the most fit, feeling the best, but how you actually go through your own journey. It's all about the journey. It's never about the destination. It's never about becoming the best version of yourself. It's all about the present. Whoever is the present version, are you pouring love into that? Are you pouring love into yourself while you are on the journey? Or are you just having all kinds of drama and chaos and criticism and stress and anxiety in your life only to reach the destination, the final destination, the best version of yourself, but you're so drained? But you're so regretting the journey that, you know what, I criticized myself so much. I never looked at myself with love. Yes, I reached the best destination in life. But the journey that I went through, it was all filled with drama and chaos. It was all filled with shame and guilt and fear. I didn't see myself as magic as I was. It's all about seeing the magic within yourself in the present moment, not just to see the magic in your best version. If you really want to fill in the gap between who you are and who you want to be, it is all gonna come with love. It's all gonna come with love. You have to keep pouring love within yourself. Love, 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 love. Love will make you stick in the journey. But fear and shame, it will tire you. It will drain you. It's gonna just make your life more miserable. And if even when you reach your destination, the best version of yourself, even when you get everything you desire, you're gonna be just so drained, just so empty. So remember, the biggest of transformation is gonna come through love, pouring love within yourself, connecting with the love within yourself. Pouring love each and every day, pouring care, rest. So what are you going to use in your life for your transformation? Love or shame? Yes, everybody will eventually get what they want. Not in this lifetime or the next lifetime. But it's all about the journey, guys. It's all about the journey. It's all about the journey. How are you treating yourself? How are you treating yourself? Each and every day, each and every moment. Are you pouring love? Are you seeing the magic within yourself? Are you seeing that divinity part of yourself already? That's already there. and you just need to shed the layers of conditioning, the layers of the trauma, the layers of all the things which are not you. So which factor will bring the biggest of transformation in your life? Is it going to be love or is it going to be shame? Decide, guys. Decide. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching me. I'm so grateful, and I'm loving these kind of videos, and I hope you learned something from this video. And check out the link down below. There are a few things out there, and thank you so much.